Hello everyone, welcome to our homeopathic lecture. We discuss homeopathy and allopathy difference. In this video, we will discuss homeopathy and allopathy difference. First is the word similar. Pathos means suffering. Similar suffering is homeopathy, whereas allopathy is dissimilar suffering is known as allopathy. Then axiom. Axiom means which principle it is belongs. Similia, similibus, curantus. Whereas allopathy do not have any fixed relation between drugs and disease. What is the definition of homeopathy? Homeopathy is a system of treating disease by medicine producing similar symptom to that disease. So it is the similar relation between disease and medicine, whereas allopathy, its mode of implement is heterogeneous. Means allopathy is a system of therapeutics where no fixed relation between medicine, where no direct pathological link to the disease. Medicine have opposite relation. Sometimes it is seen that medicine with similar relation to the disease, but it is not known to the physician. Then homeopathy treat the patient, not the disease. Homeopathy treat the patient, whereas allopathy treat the illness and the cause. Homeopathy having the dynamic approach of life, whereas allopathy having materialistic approach about life. What is a dynamic approach of life? Means that homeopathy appreciate the dynamic concept of the life. Dynamic approach of the life means dynamic concept of life. So it follows the dynamic concept of life, means it does not believe on the materialistic existence of the organism, whereas it depends upon the something which is immaterial, super sensual power, and animates the material body and imparts life to it. Means according to the Hahnemann, there is a spiritual power is termed as vital force, which is the important characteristic feature of a illness. If the vital force is means if it becomes dysregulated, then disease occur. Whereas allopathy believes in materialistic approach about life, means they say that they view as a study the human organism from the materialistic viewpoint. What is it? Means there will be no vital operation. There is a chemo-physical reaction. Only chemo-physical reaction is seen in the allopathy system of medicine. Point is that homeopathy believes in individualization of the individualization of the patient, whereas allopathy does not have any individual relation of the disease and medicine. Means disease diagnosis on the basis of a common system of a disease diagnosis by system means physiological system. Disease diagnosis by physiological system. That is the difference. Here individualization of the patient we take in the homeopathy for the case taking, that is mind symptom we also cover, but here no mind symptom. There only physiological system wise disease diagnosis we find. Then there is in the homeopathy there is a holistic approach towards the disease. Holistic concept of disease means that is he tries the disease in as a whole. Means the patient treat the patient as a whole. Whereas in the allopathy there is local concept of a disease. Local concept of a disease. What does it mean? Local concept of a disease means they concentrate on the single part of the disease organ. Treat the single part where disease is occur, at that single disease organ part they treat, not as a whole. Means such as a disease organ or tissue or this thing they apply their treatment. Then there will be in the homeopathy the dynamic cause of disease we take. Dynamic cause of a disease means such as they says that there will be rearrangement of a vital force due to which the disease occur, but here there will be not that thing. Means there will be material cause of the disease we take in the account. Material causes of disease means they think that the bacteria, material causes means the bacterial, viral, parasital, these organism causes the disease. There will be nothing vital force, nothing mind. They think that these organism causing the disease, not the mind rearrangement. Here the homeopaths believe that the dynamic rearrangement of the dynamic in the spiritual level, in dynamic in mind level, there will be, if disturbance occur, then disease will be occur. But here they think that the pathogen or bacillus, they causes disease. There will be nothing like rearrangement in the mind area. That thing. Ninth point we discussed that there will be in the homeopathy, the clinical basis we take, means the therapeutic not depend upon physiological and pathological discovery, but it depend upon the experiment and the clinical observation of the drug on the healthy human being. Means here the disease diagnosis on clinical basis. Clinical basis means the clinical observation of a drug, on healthy human being. Whereas in the allopathy society, they think that the physiological and pathological basis they diagnosis their disease. So they depend upon the physiological and pathological basis of a diagnosis. Physiological, pathological disease diagnosis for specific individual patient. Means here it says that 10 cases of influenza patient we give according to the totality of a symptom similarity. There is 10 cases, one medicine we give, or 10 one same medicine, or 10 different medicine we prescribe. But in the allopathy society, the specific medicine, there will be nothing like individuality of medicine. They give specific medicine for specific disease. Then 11th point is that homeopathy, in homeopathy, draw proving is occur on the healthy human proving. Draw proving on, in the allopathy society, draw proving is occur in the animal and lab experiment. Draw proving is occur on animal and laboratory experiment. Means in the homeopathy, the action of the drugs is occur by proving them on healthy human beings, whereas in the allopathy, there is action of the drug is known by proving on animal and laboratory technician experiment. At a time, a mode of application of medicine is a simple, single, one at a time. Means one medicine is given in a specific time of the day. But in the allopathy, there we see that application of a medicine is massive, large, strong, heroic medicine is given at a time. So at a time, that is the main thing. Then allopathy, in the homeopathy, the medicine cost is so economical that it can approachable to the poor people, more towards the economically it is more approachable economy. But here it is less approachable. Why? Because the cost is sometimes more than the homeopathy. That's why less approachable. Then 14th point is that curative. It is a very ideal one. The action of the medicine or the disease, or the classification of the allopathy concept of the disease is that the disease is classified in the allopathy. There is acute, subacute, chronic. Means acute means sudden, subacute is less than chronic. But in the classification of a disease in allopathy, but in homeopathy, there is a classification of a disease is classification in two terms, that is acute and a chronic. Whereas in acute case, there is 3: individual, sporadic, then epidemic. Whereas in chronic case, it is 3 miasm it cover, that is sora, syphilis, psychosis. Whereas this type of a classification is not found in allopathy. That is in the homeopathy, there is a classification acute, in the individual, sporadic, epidemic. Whereas in chronic, that is sora, syphilis, psychosis. In the allopathy, there is acute, subacute, chronic. That much classification we find. So in the homeopathy, ideal one therapeutic system. because but here nothing specific. In homeopathy, the drug proving is occur in different age, sex, then constitution. Prove the medicine in different age, sex, constitution, temperament, where there is a generalist drug proving occur on the specific organ, specific lower organism. In the homeopathy, the disease, we also include disease of a sensational disorder, sensational disorder also treat. But here the disease is nothing but in allopathy the disease is nothing but the sum total of structural and functional disorder. So here we include the disease as a sensational disorder, whereas here there is, if the sensational is a disorder in the, but the patient says that. Lastly, homeopathy is a curative mode of treatment, but allopathy non-curative mode of treatment. As in homeopathy we see the medicine is acts only the single diseased part of the body, but in the allopathy the medicine will act all total of the body, so that the side effect is present in the allopathy but not present in the homeopathy. So the medicine, we covered 20 points on behalf of homeopathy and allopathy. Thank you. If you like, then subscribe and share your friends.